70% of homeowners sell their house within 6 months if they get professional photos. Yes, professional photos. So today I want to talk about 7 quick ways to sell your home in 2024. 7 quick ways to sell your home fast, quick, in a hurry in 2024. I am Dr. Karen Lewis, licensed real estate broker with the Limelight Realty K1 Group. And as I stated, the first thing is that professional photography. Make sure that your agent gets professional photos, that they get a professional photographer so they can take professional photos, because it still stands today that pictures are worth 1,000 words, and in real estate pictures are worth like 1,000,000 words. Okay, so you want to make sure that you get professional photos. Okay, the next thing that you want to do when you're showing your house, make it light, make the sun, open the blinds, make the sun shine, make it light your house up when people come to see it. Open the blinds, turn on every light in the house. Don't try to reserve on the light bill, because remember, you want to do everything that you can to sell your house in a short period of time. So make sure that you light it up. The next thing, throw some paint on it. And you don't have to, you can have a paint party if you want to. Just throw some paint on it, especially if the paint is outdated and you've not painted your house in a long time. So make sure that you put some paint on it. Throw some paint on it. Make sure you do that. The next thing you want to do, you want to take the pictures down. I know you love your house and you want to make sure you show everybody. Take your personal pictures down, remove them. Remember, it's just for a short period of time because you want to sell your house. Make sure that you take the pictures down. Make sure you take the pictures down. I got to say that again, because sometimes I've had sellers where they get emotional, they get personal when they don't want to take their pictures down. But do that, because I want to give you the ways that you can sell your house in a fast manner. And that's our job. When you put your house up for sale, our job as an agent is to do everything that we can to sell your house fast. Okay, make sure that when people come in, first impressions are everlasting. So when they're walking in to your door, to knock at your door, that the landscaping is beautiful. Make sure that the landscaping is beautiful. Make sure that you do that. Get your yard mowed every 2 to 3 weeks or so, depending on how fast it grows. But make sure that it shows beautiful. That's the key. So make sure that the landscape is awesome. And here is it. Did I say 7? I did talk about the photos. Okay. Keep your house clean. Keep your house immaculate. Keep it clean. Even if you have to do appointments only, make sure that you keep your house clean. You know, it really should not determine whether a buyer would purchase your house or not. But let me tell you, it does, because sometimes a buyer will come in there and then they'll walk out and they'll say, oh, I don't want that house. That house was nasty. It was ridiculous. So keep your house clean. Keep your house clean. Pets. I know you love your pets. I love pets too. I know you love your pets. Put your pets outside, or walk your pets while your pets. Walk them while someone is seeing your property. Walk the pets. Do not have them in there and saying, oh, he won't bite. Oh, he's nice. No, even though he may not bite, I'm a believer in that he may bite. If he has teeth, I believe that. But keep him out, because everyone does not like pets. So keep your pets outside. And then also, you may want to get something when it comes to the smell. You might want to get some deodorizers or something so that you don't have that pet smell in there. So you want to make sure, if you do those simple things, it will help you sell your house quicker than if you don't do them. And our job, again, is to do everything that we can to sell your house. And so when your real estate agent comes and have that heart-to-heart talk with you and tell you to do those things, then then make sure that you follow those instructions, okay? So that is it for now. Again, I am Dr. Karen Lewis. Please follow me, subscribe, share it with your friends who's looking to sell their home so they can get great nuggets. And if they don't use me as a realtor, then make sure that these are the things that they present to their realtor if their realtor don't present it to them, okay? I am signing off. And again, as I said, don't forget to subscribe, like, or comment, and share your experience. I'm signing off.